In this tutorial, I will show you how to download Google SketchUp on your PC or laptop for free in just a few simple steps. First, open any browser and search for SketchUp. From the search results, open the official SketchUp website. Once you're on the website, click on Resources at the top. From the menu, select Support and open SketchUp Help. Here, click on Downloading and Supported Versions, now CFOL, a little bit down, and you'll see options for Mac and Windows. Since I'm using Windows, I'll click on Download SketchUp 2026 for Windows. The download will start automatically. Once it's finished, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Find the SketchUp installer, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. The installation will now begin, so wait a few moments for it to finish. Once SketchUp is installed, open it and sign in to your account to start using it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.